Good morning and welcome back to Maths Class Children. I have given ample of time to complete the workbook sums. I hope all of you have completed all the division sums and problem sums up to 5 of main question number 11. Now let's start with question number 6. A family of 8 people needs 60 kilogram wheat for a month. Then how much wheat does this family need for a week? Okay, 1 month में उनको wheat चाहिए 60 and they ask for a week how much wheat is required. That means children, 1 month is equal to 30 days. Okay, first we will find out 1 day में कितना उनको चाहिए wheat. Okay, let us start question number 6. Here 1 month is equal to 30 days. You will write same as it is. 1 month is equal to 30 days. And I am expecting in answers also, solution also, you complete. Most of the children without any statement they are doing the sum and only answer directly they are writing without solving the sum. 1 month is equal to 30 days. For 30 days, if you will write, if for 30 days wheat needed, how much quantity? That is 60 kilogram. Okay, then for 1 day children it will be less or more. Obviously for 1 day it will be less. Okay, then for less quantity you will divide 60 divided by 30. When you will divide you will get 2 kilogram. Okay, I am not showing how to divide. Obviously this is understood. Now they asked 1 week. Therefore, for 7 days, wheat needed. For 7 days, how much wheat is needed? For 1 day, 2. Okay. For 7 days, more. For more, you will multiply 2 into 7. So, what will be your answer? 14 kilogram. This is the way. Now, question number 7. Rima wants change for rupees 500. How many notes will she get if she wants to return wants in return all 100 rupees? Obviously children, 500 divided by 100. All notes of, if you will divide 500 by 100, then you will get 100 divided by, sorry, 500 divided by 100, 5. And if you want to get 50, then that time you will divide 500 by 50. Okay, this is the way. I'm just giving you, you yourself will divide all 20. That time, that means you have to divide 500 by 20. And 5 rupee note, if you want to get, then you will divide 500 by 5. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay. Now, if 72 8th question, if 72 tomatoes are distributed equally in 3 baskets, then how many tomatoes will be there in each? Obviously, in each means 1. That is less. Okay, then again you will divide. Okay, but you have to write the statement. Okay, total number of basket. Here, total number, either you can write in 3 basket number of tomatoes like this also, in 3 baskets number of tomatoes, that is equal to 72. Then each means one basket. In one basket. Number of tomatoes, that will be 72 divided by 3. You will get 3 twos are 3, 4s are 24 tomatoes. You will get in answer, you will write in answer 24 tomatoes in each baskets. Now question number 9. There are 350 bricks in a hand cart. In if the weight of one brick is rupees 2, sorry, is 2 kilogram, what will be the weight of all the bricks? Okay, weight of one brick is equal to 2 kilogram. Then weight of 350 bricks, children, that will be more. For more you will multiply, for less you will divide. So you have to 350 ब्रिक्स का वेट ज्यादा होगा, ज्यादा के लिए आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, सो यू विल 32 35 to the 70 and this 700 kilogram will be your answer. I hope you understood. Now question number 10. Lena Wayne made 204 candles to sell in the market. If she makes packets of 6 candles, how many packets will she make? Okay, अगर वो 6, if she make packets of 6 candles, तो क्या करेंगे? How many packets निकालने के लिए? You will divide 204 by 6. Okay, और अगर वो 12 का बनाएगी, then 200 divided by 12. Okay, so first you will write total candles. 204. If in one packet, how many candles? 6 candles. Then number of packets कैसे निकालेंगे? Number of packet divided by 204 divided by 6. You can divide another way also. 204 divided by 6. What will you get? 6 threes are 18 and 6 34 packets you will get. Same way, children. Okay. If in one packet 6 candles, then you will get 34 packets. But if 12 candles will be there, that means what will you do? Second part, I am doing 12 candles होंगे तो 204 को किससे divide कर देंगे? This is second part of the question. That doesn't mean I have done wrong. Okay, two parts in this question. Okay, so how many? 12 ones are 204 divided by 12 ones are 12. 8 minus 20 में से 12 minus करोगे 8, then this 4, 84. 12 sevens are, then answer will be 17 packets. Okay, you can divide by long division method. I am just writing the answer. I expecting you are knowing the division. Now question number 11. On sports day, 161 children are in school playground. They are standing in 7 equal rows. Okay, in how many rows they are standing? I hope children this one you understood in two parts. पहला जो मैंने दिखाया वो part in 10th question and now this part. Two parts you have to do. Okay, not only you have to change and will do like me. Okay. On sports day, 161 children are in school playground. They are standing in 7 equal rows. How many children are there in each row? Once same way children, total number of children you will write and number of rows. Okay, total number of children, that is 161. Then children in one row. sorry, number of that we have to find in one row. Okay, total number of rows, that is 7. Okay, equally they are distributed. So number of children in one row, how will you get? That is total children divided by total students or children. Total rows, no, sorry, total rows. So that is 161 divided by 7. If you will divide 161, 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. You will get 23 children. Now question number 12. 7 necklaces having equal number of beads in each are made from 756 beads. Okay. Same way children, there will be two parts of this question. Okay. 7 necklaces having equal number of beads in each. 7 necklaces in each are made from 756 beads. How many beads are needed to make 15 such necklaces? Okay. Yes, children, in this question, first you have to write total number of beads in 7 necklaces. You will write total number of beads in 7 necklaces, that is 756. Okay, then number of beads in one necklace will be less. 756 divided by 7, that you will get 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are. So that means for one necklace 108 beads are required, but you have to make 15. So this part I am doing this here. Number of beads for one necklace is equal to 105. Number of beads for 15 necklaces (105 into 15). What will you get? I think 15 or any other number they asked. Okay, 108 it was. By mistake I have written here. This was 108. This was also 108. Okay, then for 15 necklaces, if you will multiply 15 eights of 120 and 15 ones of 15 and 1620 beads are required. So this will. Now children, you have to complete, or I think already I have given question number 20 to complete. I hope division sums you have completed. Okay. Then in the next video, we will do the remaining part of this chapter.